The factors to consider in document capture are three. One is the document sources, two, document format, and then number three, document storage. So when we look at them one by one, document sources as number one. The document sources depends on many factors. Sometimes you receive your documents through emails. I believe in this aspect, you've already converted your paper documents into digital format. So you are also getting these documents in the digital format. You are getting your documents from the service portal, which are digital. The transcripts when it comes to the educational institutions, or loan application when it comes to financial institutions, or opening of accounts applications. You're getting them in digital format from the portals. And these ones are captured in a central repository that can be of value to this company later on. And then now let's look at the document format. There are different document formats. There's the structured format, and then there's the semi-structured format. In the unstructured format, the data is usually in text format. They are dense text. You see in contract, where there's a lot of text involved. So these ones are usually unstructured, and this is where a lot of insights are. So these ones, ensure you have them in place for later use in the extraction process. And then there's the structured format. These are structured data. They come in table format. They are lined. You are able to read out. They are able to define what it's talking about. It makes it very easy for you to know what this data is talking about. And then there's the semi-structured format where they are mixed up, both the semi-structured, both the unstructured and the structured. You find a document with both, with the dense text and some with tables. They are mixed, so you have to be able to define them and have them captured in your repository. And then another format is having them maybe in JPEG, some you have in PDF, some you have in TIFF or PNG. Those are different formats that you have to find a way of working around them to ensure that they are aligned by the time you are consuming this data. And then you find some documents come in single pages. Then some documents come in multiple pages. Those are different formats. But now when you align them, it will enable you to work around them to get insights that you need. And then the third one of this document capture phase is the document storage. This one has to be scalable because as the company grows, the more data you accumulate. And this data is all essential. They are all of use. So you'll have this data in place until and unless maybe there's data that has reached the retention period that you have to get rid of. But at the end of the day, you need the insights from this document to use them for your futuristic needs.